Hey everyone, my name is Kate and I'm product development manager here at Plus Plus, and today we are going to be building the creepy critters. We have Bolt, Nom, Grim, and Wib here, so let's get started. Now we're going to create Wib, and the reason why this critter is named Wib is because it resembles a spider, and spiders make webs, but Wib's just a little bit more fun of a word. So we're going to go ahead and get started. The colors that come in Wib are neon orange, basic black, basic purple, glow, lime, basic red, and then 2 white hubs for Wib's eyes. So we're going to take 2 and put them together just like that, and then add a third one up at the top like this. And we're going to add 1 piece to this side and 1 piece in the same spot on the other side, just like this. And we're gonna put the red piece down like this, then add the black piece right on top, just like that. We're gonna take it and we're gonna add it to the body. So we're gonna put this piece in just like that. It's gonna connect to these 2 black pieces that we recently added in the front. And we're gonna take 1 black piece and we're gonna add it right here between these 2 pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna push it in just like that. And now it should hold in this middle part very well. We're gonna put 2 together, just like that. And then 1 right on the other side like that. Slide this part of this chunk right into this piece here. Over here to this side. And then we're gonna add the other one in the same spot on the other side. And we're going to add it right here to the back of the body. And we are going to set it in this opening right here. Just going to give it a good push right in there to make teeth. And then we're going to take our 2 remaining black pieces and we're going to add 1 on this side and 1 right on the other side. And put 2 together just like that. And then 1 more right here. And once we have this created, we're going to go ahead and do this 5 more times. So we're going to set this one off to the side and do that 5 additional times. And we're going to add the first leg right here. Take another one and just add it in the same spot on the other side. So we're going to take 1 purple piece and 1 neon orange piece and we're going to put them together. So we're going to take 1 of our hubs, slide it on just like that. We're going to slide it in here. Just like that. We're going to add 1 of Wib's eyes right here on this part of the spider. And then we are going to go ahead and add the second eye in the same spot on the other side. And now we have Wib. And you may notice he looks a little bit too cute, not creepy. But the fun thing to do with these eyes is you can actually slant them in just like this to create a meaner looking spider. It's a cute little critter and his name is Wib.